Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel. There's one saguaro still hanging on to its flowers. Here it is, already August. They should be gone already. Man, the gnats are just driving me nuts. I want to come and check out this wash over here. Because in this wash, it's over here by the Petroglyphs behind the Redemption Center in Tucson off of Petroglyphs Road. There used to be an old car up here. Oh man, these gnats trying to go up my nose. I found this car like 10 years ago and it used to be a whole car. I want to come over here and show you what it looks like now. With these crazy monsoon flash floods we've been having. I'm surprised that it's still sitting here. I'll put some pictures up of what it used to look like. Somebody came out here and did some graffiti on it. What is keeping this old car here? I have no idea. I remember a long time ago, you used to have the grill, you used to have the cab, the doors. The monsoon has smashed it down over here. The floods, we've been getting some crazy flash floods. There's part of a door here buried. Always like to come check. I haven't been over here in probably a year and a half. But I want to show you this saguaro over here also. Check out this saguaro. It's probably 5 foot tall. That thing is fat. That is very fat. I'm surprised it's even standing still here in this wash, because this wash, this arroyo, this riverbed, this thing washes out like crazy. But look at how healthy that thing is. Man, these gnats. Whew. Here's what the top of a saguaro looks like. There's some crazy flood damage over here too. I want to go show you guys. This is why I have not been going out into the trails much, because these gnats keep trying to fly up my nose. And these washes, it's dangerous. It could be raining in another part of Tucson and you're hiking in this wash. Man, you get hit with the flash flood. So this is the mountain behind the Redemption Center here in Tucson off of Petroglyphs Road. It has petroglyphs on it, but you can barely see the petroglyphs over here. But I want to show you over here how the flash floods have carved out this ground. Slip down in there. The water comes rushing here really fast. I got some flash flood videos on my Instagram. I see got the Truth Arizona. But these petroglyphs in this area are getting harder and harder to see. All the water you can see goes way up in there. But there's some better petroglyphs over here. Let's go take a look. Some more petroglyphs here. I haven't been here in a long time. It's pretty peaceful over here. Hohokams or hohokums, however you want to say it. There's some right there. That one looks weird. Let me zoom in on it. Oh, I can't see. These freaking gnats in my eyes. Got, like they got some kind of crazy headdress on, and a dog. Looks like another dinosaur right up in there. I can't see because these gnats are getting in my eyes like crazy. Oh. Man, this place is loaded with gnats. Hey, these gnats are trying to go up my nose. And that is a huge rock up there. That's probably the size of my SUV, that rock. I have a Ford Explorer, 2003 Ford Explorer. And my hands and my face, my eyes are just covered with these gnats. That's the trail that takes you back to the parking, which is like 5 minutes there. This is the steps that take you up to the Redemption Center. There's a cool labyrinth up here I want to go check out. I want to see if there's any petroglyphs on the side here. I don't see any. This is the east side of the rocks. That picture right there is facing east. I don't think I've ever filmed on this side before. You can pause it and read it, but this is a pretty good sized labyrinth right here. There's one over at Sanctuary Cove also, and there's one in central Tucson. I forget the name of the park, but me myself, I have no idea what labyrinths are for, but it looks like somebody giving offerings over there. Let me see if I can stand up on this bench and get a better shot. It's huge, this labyrinth. I don't know what these plants are called, but I see hummingbirds feeding off of them all the time. Oh, it's so beautiful. The bees pollinating. That's a really nice waterfall. These plants here feel like latex. I do not know the name of them. But they got a good smell to them. Butterflies and flowers. Oh my. That's very cool. More flowers right there. It's like an ASMR video if I just stop talking and let you listen to this. I've never been over here. This is my first time. Those are some very healthy looking ocotillos. Very tall, very healthy looking. Everything here is very healthy looking, very well maintained. It's the first time I've ever been over here. I was walking by, I saw this ocotillo here, how healthy it is. I love the ocotillo. And then I saw this saguaro, like what the heck is going on with this saguaro? Look at it. I thought it was a segmented, but it's just a regular saguaro. I don't know what causes those bulges. And then the splines on this one are just so different looking. This used to be a really tall barrel cactus. Now it's fallen over due to the monsoon rains. Probably just a little bit over 5 feet. Blocking the path. Like there's where it used to stand. But this is the trail that takes you back to the parking. It's a dirt parking, like I said. If you live in Tucson, if you're coming to Tucson, you want to check out the petroglyphs. You can, oh man, that was a tarantula wasp. You can either Google the Redemption Center in Tucson, or you can just come out here on Picture Rocks Road, and there's only one trail that goes to the Petroglyphs, and that's the one I'm on, and it's a dirt parking lot. There's my car right there. And if you go down the dip and go up the hill, well, then you passed it. There are no signs here, but like I said, that's the Redemption Center over there. You got this huge dirt parking lot. Over there is a Holcomb Canyon where I hike a lot, where the Bigfoot beds are. But here's the parking lot. There's the trail. It's the Redemption Center, just just east of the mountain right there that has the petroglyphs on it, and the petroglyphs face west. And then right across from that is the Walk of Crosses. And there you have it. That's my video for today. If you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, it's for free. Remember, be kind to people. Treat people the way you would like to be treated. Treat it with kindness. And if the Lord willing and the creeks don't rise, because it's monsoon season, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. I'm gone. I'm gone.